Hi guys! Welcome po sa Coin Hunter PH. At dahil hindi tayo binibigo ni Hubcore, magra round 3 tayo. Okay, dahil lagi tayong nakakakuha ng magandang cards sa halagang 70 pesos, bubuksan na natin ang pangatlong repack nya. Hubcore, exciting repack, 15 pesos card, 70 pesos only. Okay, let's do this. First card, Drew Holiday, pink mosaic. Wow, nice card. Next card, Romeo Langford. Okay, prestige rookie card. Okay. Next card, Derek Favors, Prism. Next card, Kevin Werther, Panini Prism ng Atlanta Hawks. Wesley Matthews, anak ni Wes Matthews ng import ng Ginebra dati, Milwaukee Bucks. Gordon Hayward, NBA Hoops, Celtics pa siya dito. Jarrett Culver, mosaic, Minnesota. Next card, Miles Bridges, mosaic ng Charlotte. Okay. Colin Sexton, Cleveland, rookie card ba? Elite. Hindi siya rookie card. Tristan Thompson, Kings, Donruss. Richaun Holmes, Kings, Donruss base. Si Chuma Okiki, Donruss ulit. Eric Gordon, Rockets, Panini Contenders. Okay. Kyle Kuzma, Donruss ulit. Okay. At ang last ay, wow, Get Hype, Kyrie Irving. Nice cards. Ito ang hit natin ay ang pink mosaic ni Drew Holiday, rookie card ni Romeo Langford, at ang Get Hype ni Kyrie Irving. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.